Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel Power Query tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to get the number of days and also get the month name of the given date in Excel cell. So let's start the tutorial. And here we got the final output. According to the date, I am getting the number of days of this given date, name of the month, and the month is 12th month, which is December. Now let's check the new date, 1st October 2022, and also I am adding another date, 10th June, February, November. Let's add the November 2022. Now I have added two more dates here, new dates. Now I want to get the number of days, month name and month. So go to data, refresh all. Here we got the number of days of the given date, month name, and month is 11th, which is the number is 11th, October is 10th, December is 12th.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am creating a new blank workbook, and here we got the new workbook. The workbook name is a bookmark. Now my aim is I am adding one date here. This is a heading, bold. Now my aim is, if I enter suppose 10th December 2022. Now my aim is, without writing any formula, using a Power Query, I want to get according to the given date by the user, I want to get the number of days and also the number of the month name I want to get in the cells, the new cells. For example, if it is 10th December 2022, which is I want to get the in December month how many number of days are there and also the month name. Without using any formula, I want to get using a Power Query. So first, in order to create a Power Query, go to data, and the data, notice from table here, because this is a list, we need to convert this into table. So click from table. Once I click the from table, notice here the selector, the range is selected. If it's not selected, select the range. It's already selected here because the cursor is here only in the cell A1, in the cell A, and also my table has address. It's tick mark here because the date is header. My table got the header, which is the date. Click OK. Now once I click OK, it redirects to the Power Query editor. The first thing, now let's delete this time from this date. So notice the icon here, click that one, click only date, replace current. Now we got the date here. Now we require the number of days in December and also the December month I want to get. So go to add column here, click add column, and notice here from date and time, here we got the date option. Click that on the date. There is a month option here. Here I am adding the days in month. Here we got the days in month is 31. Let's check in our calendar. In 10th December, this is the December 2022, we have 31 days from 1 to 31. So here we got the 31 days. After that, again select the date. I want to get the name of the month, which is the December. I want to display here name of the month. Again select the date column. From date and time, select the date, month, and name of the month. Here we got the December. Like that, you can add month also, which is the 12th month. Starting date and ending date also we can get here of the month. Now here, what I'll do is days in month. No, I am adding the suffix 31 days. For that, from text, format, click the format, add suffix, spacebar, 31 days. 31 days I am adding. Click. Here we got the 31 days. I am replacing days, number of days. Now I don't require this one. I'm deleting this. That's it. If you want, you can add also any prefix if you require. Now after that, we need to load this query on our Excel sheet. For that, again go to Home tab. In the Home tab, close and load to. Here we got a pop-up window. I'm selecting the table and existing worksheet I'm selecting. If you want, you can add in the new worksheet, but I'm selecting the existing worksheet. And I'm selecting the range B range. Click OK. And then click load. And notice here the table 1 is executed successfully. Now delete this D which we don't require. We have to delete here. We have to delete this date here. Remove. Now close and load. Now we got, and here we got the final output. According to the date, I'm getting the number of days of this given date, name of the month, and the month is 12th month, which is December. Now let's check the new date. 1st October 2022, and also I'm adding another date, 10th June, February, November. Let's add the November 2022. Now I have added 2 more dates here, new dates. Now I want to get the number of days, month name and month. So go to data, refresh all. Here we got the number of days of the given date, month name, and month is 11th, which is the number is 11th, October is 10th, December is 12th, 31 days. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to get the number of days, month name according to the given date in Excel using a Power Query. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.